Hello everyone, my name is Aman Kumar. In this lecture, we will get to learn about what is base and uses of base. So, this is table of content. You can see here introduction of base, second is properties of bases, third is usage of base, and fourth is usage of base in daily life. So, when we heard the word base, first thing comes in our mind is what is base? So basically base is defined as compound that produce hydroxide ion like any chemical compound that produce hydroxide ion is called base. So if you see the structure of OH ions, here hydrogen and oxygen atoms connected together by single bond, covalent bond, and there is a electric charge, electric negative charge. So if we talk about examples, sodium hydroxide and milk of magnesia is one of the examples. Now comes to the properties point. Properties of base is first one is bases change the color of red litmus to blue. But in terms if we talk about acid, there is a vice versa. It changes the blue colors to red. But second one is they are bitter in taste. Third one is they feel very slippery when kept in hands. Whenever you get a chance to visit laboratory, ask lab attendant to provide you sodium hydroxide. When you kept in your hand, it will feel very slippery. Fourth one is pH value is always greater than 7. Now, uses of base in chemistry. So, if we talk about neutralization reaction in which acid react with base to form water and salt. So suppose if there is not a base, then this reaction does not take place. For example, we have a HCl and NaOH. HCl is acid and NaOH is base. When both the reactant react, it will form water and salt. In case of HCl and NaOH, NaCl and H2O will form. In terms of agriculture, calcium hydroxide, also known as slaked lime, it is used to neutralize the acidity in soils because our soils contain many things like minerals, earthworms, and many more things. Suppose acid is more, then soil may not does not give crops. It may damage our crops. So remove excess acid. We use calcium hydroxide in agriculture. Usage of base in daily life. Magnesium hydroxide, also known as milk of magnesia. It is used as an antacid or laxative. It helps to correct excess acid present in our stomach. In today's generation, we all eat lots of fast food due to excess release of HCl in our stomach. We feel very uncomfortable and painful. To remove that excess acid, we use milk of magnesia so that it neutralizes the excess amount of acid. Now comes to sodium hydroxide. It is used as cleaner in drainage system and it is also used in soap and detergents. Generally our drainage system contain fatty acid and oils and many unwanted substance. When sodium hydroxide react with that, it break down into smaller pieces and it clean the drainage system. Now sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, also known as NaHCO3, it is used in baking. Baking soda is used in toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash because sometimes we eat food so that our mouth contain many bacteria, and that bacteria release some acid, and that acid is very painful for our mouth, and we feel very uncomfortable. To remove that excess amount of acid present in our mouth, we use sodium bicarbonate as a toothpaste. Thank you.